Isa sa mga pagkain na mimiss ko from the Philippines is the Kapampangan delicacy na buro or fermented rice. Basically, binuburo ang kanin with the help of beneficial bacteria or yeast hanggang maging maasim. This process takes a few days, kaya for quick cravings, gumagawa na lang ako ng instant buro. Although ang instant buro doesn't have the probiotic properties na good for gut health, masarap pa rin lalo na with fried fish at mga steamed gulay at napakadali pang lutuin. Maggisa ng onion, garlic and ginger until aromatic. Add ang tomatoes at continue to cook until softened at mag-release ng juices. Timplahan ng fish sauce at simmer lang until masipsip ang lasa. Add the cooked rice at break apart with the back of the spoon. Tamang-tama dito ang leftover rice. Pero kung magluluto ka ng rice specifically for making this buro, dagdagan muna ng tubig para malata na agad at mas madaling lumambot. Ibuhos ang tubig and stir to combine. Mag-add ng konting vinegar para hindi agad mapanis. Timplahan ng salt and pepper at Maggi sinigang mix to mimic ang asim ng burong kanin. I use half the packet but feel free to add more depende sa iyong panlasa. Continue to simmer until lumambot ang kanin at maging very thick. Add more water as needed to reach your desired consistency. Make sure to check from time to time at haluin para hindi manikit at masunog. Remember, lalapot pa ito once na lumamig. Maglagay ng konting oil to boost flavor. Transfer ang instant buro to a container with a tight-fitting lid and refrigerate for up to 3 days. Serve it as a condiment sa fried fish and steamed vegetables like okra, talong, or ampalaya. Enjoy!